My neighbor legit dragged me to a store to help her buy face product because she was like, your face is too smooth. Your face is too smooth. Come and buy products for me. I've never been one to have a very good face, like a smooth, clear, spotless face. That has never been me. It used to be a dream for me to wake up every morning to see my face without any pimple. Usually, I wake up every 2, 3, 4 days with new pimples on my face, which always leaves me with dark spots, which always makes my face look not so clean and clear. But very recently, I incorporated these 4 serums I have in my hands into my routine, and it has made a huge difference. And that is what I want to talk to you about in today's video. So if you're having facial issues, your face is not clear, your face is not smooth, and you are looking for something you can add into your routine, or a serum combination you can use in your routine, you might as well watch this video. I'm going to share some tips that is going to help you to achieve a clear, smooth face just like mine. Okay, so yeah, thank you for clicking today's video. If you're seeing me for the first time, I am beautiful Jenny, a certified skincare consultant. I am here to help you to achieve your skin goals. Whatever your skin goals are, you are in the right place. Here I share my experiences, the experiences of my clients, people, science-based and reality. I try to bring everything together and make them make sense to you, just to help you. Anyway, so consider subscribing to this channel and like this video at the end of the day if you end up finding value. Leave a comment if you have questions. I also offer one-on-one skin consultation on WhatsApp if you would want to talk to me personally concerning any of your skin issues. Okay, so now, as I said, I have not been that person that is lucky enough to have a clear skin. There are people, a lot of people, I have a lot of friends that they don't use anything on their face. They never get pimples. Even if they get pimples, it's in one hidden place, behind their ear. It's in one place like that nobody can see. Maybe they are getting close to their period, but it was never like that for me. I've always had pimples on my cheeks, on my forehead. I've even had pimples on my eyebrow. Guy, on my eyebrow. It's crazy. I have pimples in weird places on my face. And at some point, I actually took it as my fate. I felt like, fine, a lot of people, because I have oily skin, maybe I'm just meant to be breaking out like this. And mind you, I use my salicylic acid, I use everything I'm supposed to use. And I need you to know that nobody is above skin conditions. Even a dermatologist might not have the best skin. I've seen a dermatologist that helps people with acne, but she still suffers severe acne. Like, her face is a no. Her face is not is not your dream face, but she's going to give you advice that's going to help you. So this is just to let you know that that skin issue you are having, it's not because of one thing. Yeah, it can just be. So at some point I took it fine at my fate. So I had my salicylic acid, I had my benzoyl peroxide, I had everything in check to make sure that I don't get these pimples. And even though I get them, I am able to curb them. I'm able to use my stuff right and make sure that it doesn't leave these severe dark spots on my face because of my job and all of those things. But this year I decided to use these combinations on my face, and it has made tremendous effect. Like, it has done wonders to my face. I know I have other things that I use on my face. I have my face cream, I have my face soap, but honestly, my face soap has not changed. My face cream changed, but it's still similar to the old one that I use. If there is something that has changed, is my serum combination, because at every point in time I try different serum combinations and all of those things. I use niacinamide, I use alpha arbutin, and all of those things. But this is it. It might seem like I'm rambling, but I like to explain, so I carry you along. If this channel is not for you, please kindly click out. Don't come here and tell me you are talking too much. If you need short videos, go to TikTok. Okay, thank you. So now, the first serum I have here, these 2 serums, I use them in the morning. These 2 serums, I use them at night. Okay, so here, this is the Lancet Vitamin C Brightening Serum Glow and Radiance. Now, I saw this serum and I decided to get this vitamin C serum. I have used different vitamin C serums. This one is one of the affordable ones that I got, I saw it and I liked it. Okay, because I checked the ingredients list, it was cool. So I decided to try it. I made a video about it and now it is out actually. It is actually finished. So that is to tell you that it is good. Okay, so my first morning serum is my vitamin C face serum. My second morning serum is my ceramide. You see this serum, you see this face serum. Please, if you have not tried it before, try it. If you have not tried it before, try it. This brand did not pay me, they didn't contact me, they probably don't even know that I exist. But the very first day I bought this product, I used it at night. I bought it, so I used it at night. I slept and woke up. Like I told my partner, this is the best face serum I have used so far. The way it made my face to be smooth. The next morning that I woke up, I was like, whoa, Excellent B5 Ceramide Repairing Face Serum is the girl. I have used Excellent Face Serum before. I have used their vitamin C. I have used their niacinamide. Their niacinamide, a lot of people say, oh, you broke them out. No, their niacinamide is good. I've used their niacinamide. I've used another one of their product, but I've never used their ceramide. So I just decided to get the ceramide. And then the day I got it, it happened that I got it in the afternoon. Then I said, let me try it that night. It was good. The way it felt on my skin, like immediately you apply it on your face feels soft. See, I have used face fat ceramide face serum. It is amazing, it is wonderful, but to me it is not compared to the effect, to the feeling I got while I used this Extilin ceramide face serum. I am someone that I use my body product with so much attachment. Like I feel every bit of how it feels on my skin. I don't know the word to use to explain that. Like as I'm applying it, I'm very conscious. I don't think about any other thing. I'm focusing on how it feels. I'm focusing on the fragrance. I'm focusing on the spread. I'm focusing on the viscosity. Do you understand? Like I'm deep into it anytime I'm using a product. Not to talk more of a new product. My whole senses are at alert. And from the very first time I touched this on my skin, I knew this was going to be good. And when I woke up in the morning, I used it alone. I used it with my face cream because I have used my face cream before. I knew that result I got that morning was not from my face cream. It was this particular face serum that made the difference. Do you understand? So of these four face serums I have here, I will give this a 50% of this particular results I am telling you that I have on my face right now. This product is good and I think they should come and pay me because I know after this I might start looking for excellent ceramide. You people can start buying it everywhere. Do you understand? So in the mornings, what I do is after I wash my face with my soap, you all, if you're not seeing me for the first time, you know how I wash my face now. Okay, so after I wash my face, sometimes I use my salicylic acid face cleanser because I said I have oily skin. So when I see I have some signs of pimples coming out, I like to use my salicylic acid face cleanser. So after using it, I first of all go in with the ceramide face serum. Okay, then I follow up with my vitamin C face serum. So what do I have to say about this vitamin C? Well, it is good. It is not my favorite, honestly, because I got it before I got the ceramide and I didn't really see much that it did to me. But why I am adding it to this particular video is that the combo, so you can use it. Like I am going to buy another vitamin C. It is actually out, so I'm not going to be restocking this. Okay, but this particular combo of ceramide and vitamin C and then the night one, that's what I'm actually talking about, the ingredient, not the brand. When I'm specifying on a brand, then you know that you should get that brand, but I'm not specifying on this is just very plain and basic. It didn't do much when I was basically using it alone. It's just that glow and radiance. You see that thing they wrote there, they didn't lie. They didn't lie. It's just glow and radiance. It doesn't brighten, no, it doesn't do all of that. It's just glow and radiance. That's what it does. Okay, so after this, I go in with this, then I follow up with my face cream and my sunscreen. So that is my morning routine. Then at night, I use this too. This is the Face Fact Hyaluronic Acid Serum, and this is the Face Fact Retinol Serum. You see this retinol again. I have some specific things I'm actually talking about. This retinol again is something that I would totally recommend. This is very good. This is totally good. If I didn't have this, okay, if I didn't have this already, honestly, I can do well with these three face serums. I can do well with using my Estilin and vitamin C in the morning, that's ceramide and vitamin C in the morning, and ceramide and Estilin in the morning. You see these two combos, they are fire. When you use it in the night and the wake up, in fact, as you apply it on your skin, you are going to feel your skin feel softer. Do you understand? So because this retinol is not harsh, no, this is not that retinol that is harsh and all of those things. I have, when I got it newly, I was using it every night. I didn't get any pimple, I didn't get any breakouts. Maybe it's the quantity I was using it, but it didn't give me anything they say retinol does, because it is a very mild one. The percentage is not even stated. That is to tell you that it is mild. And even when I check the ingredients list, where the retinol, okay, although the retinol palmitate is the fourth on the list, and then it has ascorbic acid, it has vitamin C, it has sweet almond seed extract. So it actually has amazing ingredients. Honestly, this particular serum has vitamin C. Do you understand? And the combination of retinol and vitamin C is very active. So this is actually very, very good. It's a good product. I love it. This will take number one, like first position in this my serum combo. First position, second position. Now this is going to be my third position. Okay, this hyaluronic acid, it just feels like water on your skin. So this is what I use. I use this when I started this routine newly. I use this in the morning, this combo in the morning. I use this combo at night. That was how I used it like that for like a month. And I'm going to tell you, it brought my face from this to that. My skin started softening up. I started getting compliments aside from you guys on here in my compound. Like, my neighbor legit dragged me to a store to help her buy face product, because she was like, your face is too smooth, your face is too smooth, come and buy products for me. So that is to tell you the effect. So I knew it was this combo that I was using. You understand? But right now, how I use it is, I use this in the morning, and then at night I use this. I use this combo. So I now use my retinol every other day. I don't now use this every day like right now. I think we are in March. I started this routine, I think about the ending of January, because I started this routine with these three products. I bought this last, and it was when I bought this one that this routine hits. You see these three routines, they didn't, it was working, but immediately I added this ceramide here. Immediately I added this one, the routine just hit. So I added this ceramide, it's like 3 weeks now, 3 weeks now, or a month thereabouts, and my face has gotten so much better. Do you understand? So as I said, right now what I do is I use my vitamin C and ceramide in the morning. Every morning I use these two serums. Then at night I use my ceramide, and that's, let me say, on Monday now I use these two in the morning. That same Monday night I use my ceramide and hyaluronic acid. Then Tuesday morning I use my normal two. Okay, that night I'm going to use these two. Okay, so that is how I alternate. I hope this makes sense. If it doesn't, maybe let me know in the comment section. Okay, so I would maybe write it out for you or something. But that is how I alternate. The point of the matter is, this particular retinol, I no longer use it every day. I use it every other night. Okay, and the nights that I'm not using it, I use my ceramide and my hyaluronic acid. I think that's plain enough. So that is how I use these serums. So I before now I used to use Dr. Rachel White Skin, is it alpha-butene and niacinamide serum. That used to be a stamp in my routine since almost 2 years now, but I said, oh no, let me stop using these products. Do you understand? So I stopped using the Dr. White Rachel Skin, not because it's bad, but yeah, I feel I've outgrown it. So I stopped it, and this is my new favorite combo. And they are almost out. I'm going to be trying another combo and see how they are going to go. So yeah, you can try this combo and come back and tell me what you feel about them. Which of these products have you used? Have you tried this, my favorite product, this Extelin? Have you tried the retinol? How was it on your skin? So what's your favorite serum combo? Let us know in the comment section. Let me know the one I am going to try next. So thank you for watching. I'll see you on any of these videos right here. And yeah.